Welcome to our roundup of the best smoothie makers in this year. Whether you're kickstarting your mornings with a healthy breakfast, blending post-workout recovery drinks, or creating refreshing smoothies for the whole family, we've handpicked the top smoothie makers that deliver powerful blending, convenience, and versatility. These machines are designed to make healthy living effortless, so you can enjoy fresh, nutrient-packed smoothies anytime at home. We'll break down each smoothie maker's key features like motor power, blade design, cup size, ease of cleaning, portability, and additional blending functions, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen and lifestyle. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and discover the ultimate smoothie maker for you. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ninja Footy Personal Smoothie Maker. The Ninja Footy Personal Smoothie Maker is a compact, high-performance blender designed for individual smoothies and shakes. Ninja has a strong reputation for durable, reliable kitchen appliances, and this model lives up to that legacy with its powerful motor and sharp blades that crush ice and blend frozen fruits with ease. It comes with a single-serve blending cup that doubles as a travel cup, perfect for busy mornings or on-the-go smoothies. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or apartments, while the simple controls allow even beginners to create smooth, creamy blends effortlessly. The Ninja Footy is praised for its efficient blending, portability, and ease of use, making it a great choice for individuals or couples looking for quick and consistent results every time. Its durable build ensures long-term reliability, so you can enjoy fresh smoothies every day. Next up at number 4 is the Magic Bullet Smoothie Maker. The Magic Bullet Smoothie Maker is a versatile and compact blender perfect for anyone seeking convenience without sacrificing performance. Magic Bullet is known for user-friendly appliances, and this model is no exception, offering a simple one-touch blending system that makes creating smoothies effortless. It features durable cross blades and a personal-sized blending cup, allowing you to mix fruits, vegetables, yogurt, and ice into a smooth, creamy consistency in seconds. Its lightweight design and easy-to-clean components make it perfect for busy professionals, students, or small families. This blender is ideal for quick breakfast smoothies, post-workout protein shakes, or healthy snack blends, offering convenience and portability without the need for complex setup. The Magic Bullet continues to be a favorite for its compact design, reliability, and ease of operation. Coming in at number 3 is the Geniza Smoothie Maker. Geniza focuses on power and efficiency, making it suitable for home users who want a more heavy-duty personal blender. With a high-speed motor and robust stainless steel blades, this blender easily crushes frozen fruits, ice, and nuts, creating perfectly smooth textures every time. It includes multiple blending cups of varying sizes, giving flexibility for single servings or slightly larger batches for sharing. The Geniza is ideal for family breakfasts, small gatherings, or meal prep, as it allows you to create smoothies, shakes, and even sauces with consistent results. This machine stands out for its strong motor, versatility, and reliability, making it a top pick for those who want durable equipment capable of frequent use. Its easy-to-clean design ensures that post-blend cleanup is quick and stress-free. At number 2, we have the Hamilton Beach Smoothie Maker. Hamilton Beach is a trusted brand in kitchen appliances, and their smoothie maker is designed for efficient, everyday blending. It features a powerful motor, stainless steel blades, and large blending jars, providing smooth, creamy results in seconds. This model is perfect for morning routines, pre-workout smoothies, or family-sized servings, thanks to its larger jar options and durable construction. It also includes travel cups, so you can blend and go, keeping your healthy lifestyle on track even with a busy schedule. Hamilton Beach is known for ease of use, reliability, and consistent performance, making it ideal for home cooks and smoothie enthusiasts who want a dependable, straightforward solution for blending fruits, vegetables, protein powders, or ice-based drinks. Finally, at number 1, we have the NutriBullet Personal Smoothie Maker. The NutriBullet has become synonymous with personal smoothies, and this model continues that legacy as a premium, high-performance blender. It features a powerful motor, nutrient-extracting blades, and BPA-free blending cups, allowing you to create smooth, healthy drinks packed with vitamins and minerals. Its compact, countertop-friendly design makes it perfect for daily use, small kitchens, or apartment living, while the intuitive blending system ensures consistent results every time, whether you're crushing ice, frozen fruits, or leafy greens. The NutriBullet is perfect for health-conscious individuals, busy professionals, or anyone looking to make nutrient-dense smoothies quickly. It's also ideal for prepping protein shakes, baby food, or even soups, making it a versatile tool in any kitchen. And that wraps up our top 5 best smoothie makers in this year. From the compact Ninja Footy, convenient Magic Bullet, powerful Geniza, reliable Hamilton Beach, to the premium NutriBullet, there's a smoothie maker here for every lifestyle, kitchen, and level of smoothie enthusiasm. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect smoothie maker for your home today. Thanks for watching.